Hello, my name is Chen Ting. Today, my topic is Innovation Journal in My Crazy Food Panda. My Crazy Panda Food is an Australian manufacturer of the finger food. Due to the difference between the two companies, it is necessary to unify the two thinking of after the questions. And the process of unifying the thinking will be accompanied by many problems. I will talk about the three main problems: the marketing problem, the employee problem, and the board problem. The problem of those three parts have greatly affected the development of the company. My Crazy Panda Food is a discount-based company. This creates the first problem for the company. My Crazy Panda Food has annual sales of the $20 million in Australia, but have a too low profits due to the deep promotion. But the company's net profit limited 5% of the sales. According to the KMP report, although the sales of the MCPF are high, the company's revenue is very little due to the large discount program offered by the supermarket, which make the device for MCPF user to innovate very limited. The second problem is the need to make the innovative change to the packaging, attract the customer through innovation packaging, and let the customer recognize the MCPF products. Not just a marketing issue, but an employee issue as well. Although the MCPF was clear, both the sales manager and the manufacturing manager stay on, which also caused the problem for the company. A sales manager wants to explore a city of business opportunity in China, which require a lot of time and money to establish a company and image in China. The manufacturer manager has the same problem. The manufacturer manager is very against the product change. She is not willing to accept the product change like the vegetarian and the vegan. This is because the manufacturing manager questions the cultural environment and the ability of the factory to be population free, and the new production method was not accepted. In terms of the board of directors, the members of the board of directors are not yet clear about the decision of the company's development, and they are still different on what projects the company will invest in. The direction determined by the board of the directors will be affect the future development of the company. A good goal can let the company know how to develop. Without goal, the company will descend in the confusing. In innovation journals, I learned that I have creating, and because the sales manager on the competition, so he is blue. The manufacturing manager is red because he has control and experience. I have the create and working with a very competitive sales manager, and if we can focus on joint project, the chance of the success are great. I can use my creative to come up with the market company's idea and focus on developing the Chinese marketing together with the sales manager. I will hold idea sharing sessions, bring people together to exchange their idea, whether their ideas are working, and reflect on each failure. Sales manager has a competitive personality, mainly responsible for customer, understand the need of the customer, and being able to quickly make the exchange to adjust the development direction according to the needs of the user. When I work with the manufacturing manager, I need to reflect more on my thinking, analyze the content to ensure the feasibility, and continually improve the quality. In the start of the flow, you can focus on the problem deeply and have no time for negative emotion. The positive emotion can help the board member think about the company development directions. When the entry board is in the start of the flow, there is a positive emotion. A positive emotion removes the friction among board members. At the same time, I can use the Google Night principle to solve the marketing problem, such as using the think tank to solve the low profit and using the launch and iterate to solve the package innovation.